Concurrent teaching, lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, the final setup. This is kind of just before you're about to teach. This is where you should be, okay? Let's have a look. So you've got screen 1 and you have screen 2. You've extended your screen, you've got all your applications, your windows are open, Teams is up and running. Let's see what is going to happen. So screen number 1, you remember, has got Teams. Screen number 2 has got all the applications and the content that you will be presenting on the smartboard via the projector, and then of course sharing that with your students online. So just as a final step, let's have a look. The teacher is you. You have your laptop in front of you and you can see screen number 1. This also means that when students are raising their hands to ask questions, you can see who's asking a question and then you can respond to them as well, either with your voice or you can type something in. Depends on how you are working in your class. The rest of the class in your classroom, okay, they are seeing screen number 2, which is currently just a mirror reflection on the board, and that's also being sent through via the net. Here, if you remember at the beginning when I spoke about the introduction, this was the school setup. You, your students, you're teaching them as normal in class. Your laptop's in front of you. The rest of the stuff is on screen number 2. That is then going through your internet connection to all of the students that are at home on their computers, and then they have the option to raise their hands, chat on the chat window, send files as attachments, or even share their screen with you as well. Hopefully that is the setup that you've got ready and working, and then it's time to actually start your teaching by starting off with your meeting.